Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have got an unboxing for you, but you knew that by the thumbnail. That is the point. Of course, we're going to use the handy dandy HC&C unboxing tool. Freaking toilet, man! We're not cutting it out. F it, man. We're not cutting it out. I need to contact the landlord again. They come out here, I don't know how many times, fix the toilet, and the thing keeps messing up. But alright, whatever. We are unboxing. Got a lot of tape. This came from Kim Gray. So y'all got an idea of what this is if you've watched along. These are some DEs. There could be other things I don't know, but I'm really only expecting DEs to get to try that I've never tried before. Kim's probably going to be like, you're not supposed to unbox. I unbox. It is content, my friend. Ooh, the twig. I'm gonna try the twig. And she keeps it in like all original boxing and stuff. Uber nice. Ooh. Ooh, Hungarian lavender. Mike's Natural Soaps. Nautica Voyage Aftershave Balm. Nautica Voyage is an awesome scent if you didn't know. Thank you, Kim. You didn't have to do that. Ooh. That's clever. It's a good idea. Remember she said she was sending me that. A synthetic brush. That'll be fun. Can't wait to use it. Okay. Finding a place to stick things. Y'all don't tell me where to stick things. Just messing with me. Having fun, having fun. This is the designer knife. Ooh, I'm excited about this. They have this at the razor company. There we go. I wanted to know how hard it would be to untape. It's got a cool little... It's really cool. Can't wait to use that one. It's sexy. It's got a sexy color, I'll tell you that much. Red. Like, I kind of want to do that with the Rockwell. Buy the red one of this and the blue one of this and switch them out. Make it two-tone. That would be pricey. If I can two-tone a razor red and blue, we're doing it. Ooh. PYM. Yates Precision. Really cool. I've never used a Yates. I'd like to use one. I told her I'd like to use one, so that's what we're using. And so make sure I close it, don't bend it. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. The copper cat. So guys, super sick. I got heat sick at work today. A little weak, a little tired. Everything's fine. Not going to give you all the details. But I may skip out on a straight razor or open blade razor shave just because my coordination's off, drinking water. But we may actually use a DE just because it's kind of what we need to do. It's a smart thing to do. This came from the razor company. We did scratch it out, make sure I didn't show that for y'all. This is supposed to be one of their collaborations. Oh man. I'm not going to be able to say this. Caillou Boy. Oh, that's nice. I feel like I've smelled that before. It's a nice scent. We'll definitely tell you more about that when we use it on a video. Very awesome. Thank you, the Razor Company. Thank you, Kim. Thank you. Oops, stepping on the stuff I threw on the ground. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and we'll probably get this uploaded same day, and then I'll do a regular shave, and we may fit a head shave in, but like I said, guys, I'm just wore out. But all right, catch you guys tomorrow.